Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we will replace the battery in this Casio watch. If you own this watch and don't know how to replace it, this video is for you. The first thing you need is this screwdriver. First, remove the battery cover. Now, insert the new battery. After replacing the battery, touch AC and minus to reset the watch. Ensure thorough lubrication of the protective rubber. Now, let's put everything back as it was. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.